Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, and other things in real life. So if this is something you're interested in, and also I do some makeup and bagging, this is Ipsy. So if this is something you enjoy, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Alright, it's that time of month again where I open up my Ipsy Glam bag. I want to start off by saying this is the last Ipsy Glam bag I am going to get, because I've upgraded into the Ipsy Plus. So next month it'll be bigger. But this is the last one I've decided to upgrade. And yeah, we'll take a look and see what it is. I think apparently there was something in there. Okay. It is saved. It is a brush. I forgot to check to make sure that there weren't things flying around in there. Anyway. Okay. So, as I was saying, this is the last month I'm getting the Ipsy Glam bag. I have upgraded to the Ipsy Plus because it seems like a better deal getting full-size items with more choices. Now, I did not choose any of the products in this month's bag because apparently they changed the dates on choice making and I keep missing it. So, the first thing that fell out of the bag is a brush from Estate. It is this little guy here. It is a pink and it is an angled, I'm guessing like brow brush. You can't even see that. There you go. Very skinny liner brow brush. Trying to hold it where you can see it, but yeah. That is the first thing. It has a nice feel to it. The bristles are nice and soft yet firm. This is an EEL03 is what it says on it. So that is that. We've got our card. This month's theme was Hotel Paradise. There is, dates on the back for all the choices and add-ons. And then inside it tells me everything that's in the bag. So let's look at this month's bag. It is pink and palmy. And the pull has this big Monstera leaf. These are great big Monstera leaves. Okay. And so inside, first off, we have a lip balm, lip product. It looks like Lasting Smiles. This is Peach Blossom Lip Balm. Smile for a cause. Caring for people and our planet. Okay, so Peach Blossom Lip Balm from Caring Smiles? Lasting Smiles. Never heard of them. Hey, ooh, we got a big compact. What is this? This is powder. This is from Koki. This is translucent setting powder. That's pretty good size. And it is in translucent. It is 5 grams or 0.18 ounces of a translucent setting powder by Koki. That's cool. That is a pretty big sized powder, I must say. Usually you get like the itty bitty little ones. Alright, next we have a tube. This is from Yensa. This is a Super Serum Silk Foundation. Ooh. With vitamin C and E, ferulic, bakuchiol, and H Super Black's Essence. I don't know what that is. Interesting. Do we have a... Like, is there a shade on here? Is this a foundation or is this like a primer? Let's open it up and find out. I don't like opening things when I get them because I'd rather wait until I'm ready to use them. But I'm curious on this because if it's a foundation or a primer. It says foundation, but then there's like no shade. Yep, it is a foundation. There it is there. Nice and lightweight. Blend that out. That looks like a pretty good match. I do have a bit of a tan right now on my hand, so my hand is a bit darker than my face, but that looks like it's a pretty good match. Smells nice. I don't know what shade it is. I don't see that it says anywhere. Oh, light neutral. Okay, so that is in light neutral from Yensa. Super Serum Silk Foundation. I mean, it feels really nice on my hand. Blends out pretty good. We'll have to give that a try and see what it is. I would like to try it. I only have one more. I only have one foundation. Okay, and last thing in here is a teeny little thing in bubble wrap. And this is by Ciate. And this is a Glow 2 highlighter. Okay. In Moon Dust. I was like trying to find the shade. Let me get the package open. I was trying to find the shade name on the box. I've never had anything from Ciate. Alright, there is the compact. And let's see what Moon Dust looks like. That looks pretty dark for a highlighter. It might be okay. There is a swatch of it on my hand. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty good match for my skin tone maybe, and then just gives a shine. I don't see any glitteriness to it, just a lot of shininess. So that might actually work out pretty good. It's not like going to be a bright highlighter, but definitely has a shine to it. So yeah, that's pretty nice. So we've got the Ciate highlighter, we've got the Estate brush, we've got a Yensa foundation, the Koki setting powder, and a Lasting Smiles lip balm. All of these brands I've heard of except for Lasting Smiles. And I've tried stuff from Koki and liked it in the past. I've never had anything from Yensa, but I have heard of them. And Estate I have highlighter from, and Ciate I've never had anything from, but I'm happy to try it. So let's take a look and see what the value is. According to the card, it doesn't say. Okay, so the lip balm is a full size and it values for $5.99. The Moon Dust highlighter is a deluxe sample from Ciate, and the full size is $29. The Yensa foundation in light neutral. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size is $42. Oof. Okay. The Estate brush is full sized, and it is $10. And the setting powder is actually a full size, and that is also $10 from Koki. I was like, that's a really big sample. That is actually a full size. So there you go. A full size setting powder from Koki, the full size lip balm, and yeah, that's pretty good, I would say. So I got a good selection of products, and I really enjoyed this. I can't wait to see what the Glam Bag Plus looks like. Get bigger bags, large products, all full size as far as I know, and I get to make more choices once I know what dates are to make the choices. So until next time, oh, if you want to get about Ipsy of your own, I will leave a referral link in the description. No, not necessary, not required to do it, but just in case you want to. And yeah, I give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment or suggestion, or just say hi. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, and you'll see me when you see me. Take care. Bye-bye.